We are here visiting Gryskens Olivier in Veerle, Laagdal, winning the first National Gueret against 12,208 yearbirds with his hen B21 6225526. She is not only the fastest of the yearbirds, but also the fastest of more than 20,583 birds on this national race. The distance for this hen was 589 kilometers, and she did it with a headwind, and the velocity was 1,199 meters per minute. It's a very nice blue hen, and winning also other good performances before. Very nice top performance of Olivier Gryskens from Veerle. Congrats from the Herbots team and up to the next national win. Congrats.